So children, today we'll discuss about trapeziums. A trapezium is a four-sided figure with two parallel sides, and another two sides are not parallel. Only two sides are parallel. Because if opposite sides this and this parallel, it will become a parallelogram. Only two sides are parallel. Other two sides are not parallel. Such a shape is called trapezium. Such a shape is called trapezium. It is a 2D figure. What is the area of trapezium? What is the area of trapezium? Okay, half h into a plus. Okay, how you get that formula? I will show derivation. I will show. H means height between the parallel sides. The distance between the parallel sides. Distance between the parallel sides is called h. The distance between the parallel sides between these two distance is called h. And a is the length of one side. B is the length of another. B is the length of another. That's all. If you find half into h into a plus b, that is called area of trapezium. How you got the formula? I will show now only derivation. A small sum I will show so that you will understand. Imagine distance between the parallel sides is 5 centimeters. Small side is 2 centimeters. Longer side is 7 centimeters. Imagine, just imagine. Okay, or 4 centimeters. What is the area of this trapezium? Area of trapezium is simple. Half h into a plus b, no children. So half into 5 into 2 plus 4. Height is 5, one is 2, another is 4. So how you will do, children? Half into 5 into 6, because 2 plus 4 is 6. Now 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 15 centimeters square is the area of trapezium. Oh, that's it. Easily you can do like this. Very easy topic, children, trapezium. But what happens? So how many variables are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this 4, any 3 he will give, 1 we should find. Depending upon the sum, A can become a subject, H can become a subject, A can become a subject, B can also become a subject. Okay. In different sums, different procedures will be there, children. So anything can become a subject. Now I found out area. Sometimes they may give area, they can ask you a height also. They can ask you A also. They can ask you B also. But out of 4 variables, 3 variables they will give. 1 we should find. Okay. Now first I will show how you got this form. Derivation of the formula. How you got half h into a plus b. Very easy, children. Half h into a plus b. Suppose imagine a, b, c, d. Imagine a, b, c, d. Okay. Area of ADB. Area of triangle, we know, children. Area of triangle half into base into height. Half into base is how much? B. Height is how much? H. Next, area of BBC. Children, area of ADB is over. Area of ADB is over. Now area of DCB. This plus this is area of trapezium. No. Area of DCB also half into base is how much? A. Base is how much? A. Height. Height means distance between these two sources. No, children. If this is H, distance between this also H only. Anything it is H only. It won't change. The distance between this won't change. Whether for this triangle it is H means for this triangle also it is H. No problem with that. Now add this. If you add these both sides, area of trapezium is equal to area of, I hope you are seeing, ADB plus area of DCB. That is nothing but area of ABCD. How much is the area? Okay. How much is that? Half BH plus half AH. Half H if you take common, B plus A or A plus B, C. That is how you will get the area of trapezium. Okay, children, those who didn't understand, I'm saying slowly. For this triangle, half into base into height. For this triangle, half into base into same height will be there, children. Distance between these two will be same. H only. Same H I took. Half H I took common and A plus B. This is how we will find out the area of trapezium. I'll discuss some sums here. Remaining sums I'll give as homework all of you. Okay. Remaining sums I'll give it as homework, children. First sum. Please see here, children, you have to follow me. All of you keep following and keep copying. Find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 10 and 12. Compulsory, you should draw figure. Without figure, you should not do the sum. I won't accept. One side is 10 centimeters, other side is 12 centimeters. And the distance between them is 4 centimeters. Distance between them is 4 centimeters. Okay. So formula figure you should draw, with scale you should draw now only, and measurements you should write. Sir told to draw figure, I will draw. It's not like that. You have to write measurements. Half h into a plus b. Okay. So half into 4 into 10 plus 12. First sum, because easy one I am saying. After that I will be asking you, all of you, get ready. 2 sir. So 2 into 22, that is 44 centimeter into centimeter. How much, children? Centimeter square. Okay. Compulsory you should write units also, children. Now only I am saying. Okay. If you don't write units properly, we will not give marks. 44 centimeters is the area of this. Yeah, like this you should do. Okay. One more sum. Without figure, you should not start the sum, and compulsory you should draw with scale. Area of trapezium is 440. This time he gave area of trapezium is 440 centimeters square. Okay, and length of the parallel sides are 30 and 14. One is 13, other one is 14 centimeters. So he's asking find height. That's all. I told you, no, out of 4 variables, any 3 variables they will give us it. Now what they gave? A they gave, B they gave. He's asking H. Let's substitute. 440 is equal to half into H into 30 plus 14. Please see, children, all of you kindly copy. Bring this is 2 down. It comes up 880 is equal to H into 44. 30 plus 14, 44. Here into no, here comes down. H is equal to 880 by 44. How much is this? 20 centimeters is height between parallel sides. Height between parallel sides is 20 centimeters. Like that you should do. Okay. If you do, you'll understand. If you do, you'll understand. Next one, children. Next one, I'll ask one of you should tell. Okay, whoever you want, they have to say. First, I will say the sum. Listen. Area is equal to 490. Area is 490 centimeters square, meter square, and height is given as 15 meters. Height is given as 15 meters. Height is given as 15 meters, and one of the side is 20. Find the other. One side is 20. Find the other. Okay, children, no problem. Anything we can take. Okay, who will tell this up?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell. You keep on saying,
Sir,
I'll substitute. 490 is equal
okay, sir.
to
490 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 into A plus 20.
Okay, 2 will go here.
2 will go to the other side, sir.
980.
980.
15 into?
Sorry. 15 into A plus 20.
15 will
so
come down.
If 980 by 15 is equal to A plus 20.
Because children is here into, so here if it comes division. Okay, so children, all of you see here. 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. No, 5 1s are 5 9s are 45.
Sir, it doesn't get divided, sir.
Okay, no problem. 196 by 3. 5 1s are 5 9s are 45. 6 196 by 3 is equal to A plus 2.
3.
Okay,
sir.
3 6. Okay, it won't get
3
divided.
will go to the other side.
Bring 20 here, children. Bring 20 here. 196 by 3 minus 20 is equal to A.
22.
All of you please see. No, okay. Enough, I will say. A is equal to 3 LCM.
Is equal to
3 is LCM. Okay, Nandika, mute your audio. Thank you. So, please see here, children. 3 1s are 3. 1 into 96, 196 minus 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 20s are 60. So, A is equal to 196 minus 60 is 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 136 by 3. A is equal to 3 4s are 12. Please see here. 3 5s are 15. 45.3 meters. Okay, children. 45.3 meters is the answer. So, children, simple children. This is A and this is B. B is given as 20. Because this is coming bigger one. That's very easy, children. According to the question, we have to do the sum. One more sum. Sure. Those who want, please check. Find the altitude. Altitude means height, children. Find the altitude of the trapezium. Altitude means height. Height means compulsory 90 degrees. You have to put, children. H. Compulsory 90 degrees. Height means always 90 degrees. I'm putting this one. This is indicates 90 degrees. Altitude or height or perpendicular. All are same 90 degrees. Okay. Find the altitude of trapezium. Sum of the length of bases is 6.5. Children, he's saying this is A, this is B. No. A plus B is equal to 6.5. He is only saying A plus B. Sum of the bases is 6.5 and area is 26. Area is 26. Area is 26. So area is equal to half h into a plus b. 26 is equal to half into h. We have to find a plus b 6.5. Okay, this comes here. 52 is equal to h into 6.5. Are you able to understand it? Now here I'm showing. Okay, okay. Or else here I will please see here. So 6.5 will come down. So h is equal
Sir,
to 52 by 6.5.
excuse me, sir, can I say the answer?
No problem. Nana. Yeah. So 13 5s are 13 4s are 5 8s are 8 meters square is the answer. 8 meters square. Okay, children, with 13 table I solved it. 13 5s are 65, 13 4s are 52, 4 0 is there 40. 40 by 5 means 8 meters square is the answer. Like that you have to. I hope you people are able to understand. Kindly copy that, children. As a result of the sums. Kindly copy the sums, children. Okay. Very easy sums will be there, children, in this lesson. You have to understand what is the topic. He said some of the parallel sides directly gives 6.5. That's why I substituted 6.5. I hope you people are copying. Okay, next fifth sum. I'm telling fifth sum also. See here, children. Fifth sum. Okay. For this fifth sum is find the sum of length of the basis of trapezium whose altitude is 11 and area is 0.55. Children, what he's saying is area is 0.55 centimeter square or meter square, something is there. Okay, so meter square, and altitude is 11. Altitude is 11 centimeters. He's asking sum of the sides. Directly is asking a plus b. He's asking he want a plus b directly. He want a plus b. Okay, height is given as 11 centimeters. Children, he want a plus b directly. So a is equal to half h into a plus b. Okay, Harsha, tell me substitution. Harsha, tell me substitution.
0.55 is equal to half 11 a plus b, sir.
Okay, this goes here. 0.55 into 11 is how much? 1.1 is equal to 11 into a plus b. Tell na 11 will go down.
Sir, 1.1. Sir, 11 outside was 1.1 by 11 is equal to a plus b, sir.
So a plus b is equal to, if you remove this point, down 10 will come. If you remove
11
this
by
point,
11.
11 by 10.
1 by 10, sir.
1 by 10 is how much?
0.1, sir.
Yeah, 0.1 centimeters is sum of parallel sides. Thank you. Sum of parallel sides. This plus this is 0.1. Okay. Whomever I ask, they should be ready to say, children. All of you be alert. I will ask anyone. My wish. Please see here. Next one. Next one. Next question. Find the area of trapezium is 105 and height is 7. Area of trapezium is 105 and height is 7. Height is 7. Height is perpendicular 7. Compass at 90 degrees. We should draw children down. Height is 7. Okay. If one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6, children, if one is x, he's saying other is x plus 6. If one is x, other is x plus 6. Okay. Where are tell me substitution?
A is equal to half h into a plus b.
Okay.
Sir, 2a is equal to h into a plus b.
105 is equal to
105 is equal to half into 7 in x plus 6.
x plus 6. Okay. 2 will go up, 7 will come down. 105 into 2.
210 by 7.
Okay. So x
is
plus
equal
x
to
is
2x plus 6.
2x plus 6. Okay. 7 ones are 7 5s are. 15 twos are
30. 30
2x
minus 6
plus
is
6.
equal to 2x.
Okay.
X is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12.
24 is equal to 2x. Thank you. 2x is equal to 24. X is equal to 12. So if one side is 12 centimeters, what is the other side? X plus 6? 12 plus
18
6, 18 centimeters. So what we can write? 12 and 18 centimeters are two sides. 12 and 18 centimeters are two parallel sides. Please copy it on all of you. Okay, don't sit idle like that. Two parallel sides. Okay, children. Next one, seventh question. The area of trapezium is 180 and height is 12. Area of trapezium is 180 and height is 12 centimeters. Height is 12 centimeters. Height means, children, 90 degrees. This is 12 centimeters. Okay. Height is 12 centimeters. If one of the parallel sides is double the other, if one is x, the other is 2x. If one is x, the other is 2x. Okay. Satvik, tell substitution.
A is equals to 1 by 2 by h. A 180 is equal to 1 by 2 into 12 into a plus b.
X plus 2x.
X plus
Tell me. This will go up.
1.
And this will come down. 182 is a 360. 12 will come down.
12.
X plus 2x is how much? 3x.
3x.
So 12 30 is a. So 30 is equal to 3x. 3 will come down. Because here it is into, here if it comes division. So x is equal to 10 centimeters.
10.
The other side is 2x. Because one is x means other is 2x.
20.
So 20 centimeters. So 10 and 20, very good, are two parallel sides. Two parallel sides are 10 and 20 centimeters. 10 and 20 centimeters are two parallel sides. Next one. Okay, children, next one. So, children, little bit difficult sum. I'll say slowly, all of you listen, children, so that you will understand. Or else, first I will say, easy sums, then I will say tough sum last. One easy sum I will say of here. The area is 180, height is 9. Area is 180, height is 9 centimeters. Height is 9 centimeters. Okay. If one of the side is 6 meters longer than the other, if one is x, the other one is x plus 6. One is x, the other one is x plus 6. Raghuram, tell me how to do the sum.
Sir, 180 is equals to
Okay, keep saying.
180 is equals to 1 by 2 into 9 into x plus 6.
Okay.
Sir, we must bring 2 that side, sir.
Okay.
180 into 2 is equals to 360, sir.
X plus x is how much?
X plus x is 2x, sir.
Plus 6.
9 into 9. Oh, sir. Yes, sir.
9 I brought down, 2 up, took up. So 40 is equal to?
Yes, sir. 40 is equals to 40 minus 6 is equals to 2x, sir.
Okay, 40 minus 6 is equal to 2x. Okay. 34 is equal to?
34 is equals to 2x, sir.
X
34 by 2, 17, sir.
34 by 2, 17. If one is 17, the other is?
The other is 23, sir.
So what are the two sides? 17 and 23 centimeters are two sides. Okay. I hope everyone are copying, children. Please copy. I will say one difficult sum, children. How to do? If you have a little bit difficult, it is there. How to do? I will say slowly. I will say all of it. I hope everyone copied that. Slowly, I will say, listen, children. The question is like this. Question is like this. The parallel sides of trapezium are 20 and 10. The parallel sides of trapezium are 20 and 10. This is 10, this is 20. Okay, 10 and 20 centimeters. Question. And non-parallel sides are equal. This is 13, this is 30. This is 13, this is 13. Find the area of trapezium. This is the question. Find the area of trapezium. Like this question comes, means, children, how you should do means, see, children, slowly I will say, try to understand. Slowly I will say, so many methods are there. One best method, drop here perpendicular. Drop here perpendicular. If this is 10, this is also 10. From here to here 10. So from 20 children, 10 is here means here 5, here 5. When can you do like this means if these both are same, then we can do like this. Please, Nana, don't disturb me in the middle. Don't disturb me in the middle, please, Nana. Because recording is going on. Nana, all of you see. If this is 13, this is 13, then only you can divide. If this is and this is are not same, then you have to do other procedure. There is another procedure, making it a parallelogram and doing the sum. So, and because this is 13, this is 13, slowly I'm saying try to listen, children. I just dropped a perpendicular. If this is 10, this is 10. Remaining from 20, if 10 is gone, remaining 10 is there, no? Here I kept 5, here I kept 5. Now, children, this is 13, this is 5, this is H. Use Pythagoras theorem to find H. I hope everyone studied Pythagoras theorem in 7th class. Okay, Pythagoras theorem states that longer side square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. I hope all of you remember that. Now see, children, 169 is equal to H square plus 25. Longer side square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. 144 is equal to H square. 12 square is equal to H square. H is equal to 12 centimeters. Over, children, we got height. Once we know height, can't we do, children, sum? We know the height now. We know the height. Once we know the height, we can do anything, children. So what is the formula? A is equal to half H into. But this method, children, you can do if both are same. If both are different, there is another procedure. How to do like that also I will say. Half into H, how much we got? 12 into 10 plus 20. 6 and 30 is 180 centimeters square. Over. Very easy. But think, children, remember, I took this 5, this 5. How can you take like this, sir? Do you know? You may ask. Because these both are 13, I took like that, children. If not, there is another procedure like this, children. There is another procedure. What is another procedure? Means, sir, this is 10, this is 20, this is 13, this is 13. Means, sir, we'll draw like this, children. We'll make this as a parallelogram. If this is a parallelogram, if this is 10, this is also 10. If this is 13, this is also 13. From 20, if 10 is gone here, 10 will be here. And using area of a triangle, so much big procedure is there. I'll tell all those things in next class. But just listen, this is easy procedure. If both are same, use this procedure. This is best one, children. How I did, I'm saying slowly last time. From 20, I gave 10 here. Remaining 10, 5 I kept here, 5 I kept here, children. I applied Pythagoras theorem here, children. Pythagoras theorem. Here also you can apply your wish. 13 square is equal to H square plus 5 square. You studied in 7th class. Hypotenuse square is equal to X square, one leg square, other leg square. You studied like that, no? So 13 square is equal to H square plus 5 square. I got H is 12. Once I know the height, you can use it as that formula, height formula, and you can use it, and you can get it. Okay, children. This is one method. Okay, children. So remaining sums, children, we will do on Monday, children. This is I will give some easy sums as homework. Please do and submit on Monday, children. Easy sums,